Journey back to the early Cretaceous period, where we encounter the fascinating Confuciusornis. This crow-sized avialan thrived in what is now Shangyuan, Beipiao in Liaoning province, China, during the Barremian to Aptian ages, approximately 125 to 120 million years ago. What makes Confuciusornis so captivating to paleontologists is its evolutionary leap beyond the Archaeopteryx, moving closer to modern birds. Remarkably, it was among the earliest creatures to sport a beak, a significant departure from its toothed ancestors. While its skeletal structure and asymmetrical flight feathers suggest it could glide or fly, it's likely that its flight style lacked the powerful, sustained flapping ability of contemporary birds. The genus name combines the philosopher Confucius with the Greek word ornis, meaning bird. Discovered in 1995, over hundreds of complete specimens have since been unearthed, offering invaluable insights into its morphology and flight adaptations. Scientists now recognize 5 distinct species: Confuciusornis sanctus, Confuciusornis dewey, Confuciusornis fiducii, Confuciusornis jianchangensis, and Confuciusornis chiffan. Measuring about 50 centimeters, 1.6 feet in total length with a wingspan of 70 centimeters, 2.3 feet, Confuciusornis weighed a mere 0.5 kilograms, 1.1 pounds. Some specimens exhibit long, thin tail feathers which may hint at sexual dimorphism. These fossils, found in lake deposits interspersed with volcanic ash, are preserved with stunning detail, offering a vivid snapshot of our ancient world. The story of Confuciusornis serves as a powerful reminder of how our understanding of prehistoric life continues to evolve, a true flight back in time. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more fascinating dinosaurs.